Konnichiwa minasan, Gayatori desu. In the previous video, we discussed the basic greetings and will be learning more greetings in this segment. But first, let's do a memory check. I will ask you the greeting we learned in the previous video and you will tell me what it is. I will give you 3 seconds to think. Okay, let's begin. What is the word for good evening? It is konbanwa. Next, how do we say hello or good afternoon? We say konnichiwa. Let's say you are late for a movie and your friend has been waiting for you. How would you express an apology? You would say gomennasai. What would you say if you accidentally break a glass at a club or a restaurant where you barely know anybody? You would say sumimasen. Okay, I think we're good to go. We'll be continuing with more expressions today. Let's begin. The next expression and the first expression for today is when you go out or when you leave from home for some work, the expression used is ittekimasu. Ittekimasu. So, the person who leaves says ittekimasu. This literally means go and will come. Nowadays, we say I'm leaving or I'll be back later. So, this is a similar expression. Ittekimasu. When somebody leaves from home to go out, this expression is used. Ittekimasu. Ittekimasu. A response to ittekimasu is itte irashai, which literally means go on or go on and get back. The nuance here is come back after whatever you are done with. So it's more like I'll see you later. Itte irashai. Itte irashai. Itte irashai. Itte irashai. Now let's see what you say when you're back home. After some work or after some daily event. It's tadaima, which simply means I'm back. Tadaima, tadaima, tadaima. A response to tadaima is okaeri nasai, okaeri nasai, which means welcome back home. Okaeri nasai, okaeri nasai. Let us learn how to say please in Japanese. The first request word for please in Japanese is onegai shimasu. When you want to ask for a favor from somebody, we use onegai shimasu. In restaurants or shops, you can hear this word often from the people. For now, keep in mind that onegai shimasu is very polite and formal. We'll learn how this is used in sentences. Onegai shimasu. Next, when you want to ask somebody to do something, we use kudasai in Japanese. It is more direct but polite too. For now, I just want you to know that kudasai is not a complete sentence. So keep in mind that when you use kudasai all by itself, it does not make a complete sentence. The next expression will give you an idea as to how it is used. We will be covering all of this in the upcoming sessions, but for now, keep in mind that kudasai cannot come by itself as a request. The next expression that I'll be introducing is used to wish good luck to someone in scenarios where you want to cheer somebody up or when wishing good luck, we use gambatte kudasai. Gambatte kudasai. Gambatte comes from the word gambaru, which means to hang on to or to do one's best or to persevere or persist. These are used as words of motivation when we want to wish the best to a person so they get motivated. For example, when cheering someone for winning a game or cheering up a team for the match, we use gambatte kudasai. This also means wish you good luck or wishing you all the best. As we learned, that if we want to request somebody to do something, we use kudasai. And since it is accompanied by a word already, gambatte kudasai makes a complete sentence. So, gambatte kudasai means please do your best or please give in your best. This basically has a nuance, come on, go for it, or you can do it. The reply that you would or one would give to this gambatte kudasai is gambarimasu. It simply means I will do my best or I will work hard. Gambarimasu. The next expression is thank you, which is arigatou gozaimasu. It's a formal expression and it's very important to use this expression when somebody does something for you. If you want to go further ahead to thank someone a little more, say like thank you so much or thank you very much, then we say domo arigatou gozaimasu. This is said to be very polite. Even for gambatte kudasai, one can just say arigatou gozaimasu. This would simply mean good luck or wish you the best, and to which somebody replying thank you so much or thank you very much or just a thank you. Okay guys, so for all of this to get transferred to your long-term memory from your short-term memory, keep practicing. Okay, so let's start and let's revise what we learned right from the start. Ittekimasu. I'll be back. Ittekimasu. Itterashai. See you later. Itterashai. Tadaima. I'm home. Tadaima. Okaeri nasai. Welcome home. Okaeri nasai. Something something. Onegai shimasu. Please do me a favor. Something kudasai. Please do this. Gambatte kudasai. Do your best. Gambatte kudasai. Gambarimasu. I'll try my best. Gambarimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Well then, I hope it was helpful. Do practice and take good hold of these expressions so you can start to get a good hang of this language faster. A quick exciting fact for today. There is a UFO lab in Japan, Fukushima. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. This lab is dedicated to investigate the UFOs. It is believed and according to most people, evident that around that area there have been a lot of strange sightings and extraterrestrial phenomena happening since the year 1970. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next segment. Happy practicing. Mata ne!